Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set custom ringtone on SIM 1 in OPPO A5s. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here, okay, go to sounds and vibration. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, okay, you can see below the SIM 1 ringtone. So okay, click SIM 1 ringtone. And okay guys, here in SIM 1 ringtone, okay, you can see on the top the select from files. So okay, you'll have to do is click select from files. And now you can see the custom file or music in your OPPO A5s. So okay guys, now you can select the music you want to set as a ringtone of your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, I select this one. Okay guys, after you select the music from your custom files, okay, all you have to do is go back and okay, you can see the music name in select from files or custom. And okay guys, back again, and you can see the SIM 1 ringtone are changed with this music from your custom file. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.